In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import cookies to Google Chrome. To begin, we are going to use a helpful Chrome extension called Cookie Importer. Installing the right tool matters because it lets Chrome accept cookie data in a reliable way, instead of you trying to manage cookies manually. On your screen, open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into the address bar, then pressing Enter. Once the store loads, use the search feature to find the Cookie Importer tool. Make sure you are selecting the correct extension from the results. When you see it, review the listing so you understand what it does and confirm it supports the task you need. Next, you will install the extension. Click the Add to Chrome button on the extension page. Chrome may ask you to confirm what permissions the extension needs. This is normal. Read the message quickly, then confirm the installation. After it finishes installing, you should see the extension appear in your browser toolbar or in the extension area. Take a moment now to verify it is installed before moving on, because the next steps depend on the extension being available. Now that the Cookie Importer tool is installed, you need to go to the website where you want to apply the cookies. This step is important because cookies are tied to specific sites, and importing them onto the wrong page will not help. In your browser, navigate to the exact website you want to access. Wait for the page to load fully. If the site asks you to log in or shows a loading screen, just let it settle so the site is ready to accept cookie updates. Once you are on the correct site, the next step is to open the extension interface. Look at the top right area of your Chrome window for the browser toolbar. Find the Cookie Importer extension icon. Click that icon to open the pop-up or panel where you can enter cookie data. You should see an input area designed for cookie information, along with an import or similar action button. If you do not see the panel, double-check that you clicked the correct extension icon. Now you are ready to provide your cookie data. The instructions specified JSON-formatted cookie data, so you need to make sure your data is in that JSON structure. This can include fields like cookie name, value, domain, path, and expiration, depending on what your cookies contain. Copy the JSON cookie data you already have. Then return to the extension pop-up and paste the JSON into the input field. Be careful during pasting to avoid missing characters. If the JSON is malformed, the extension may not import properly. After the cookie data is pasted, click the Import button in the extension panel. This tells the tool to apply the cookies using the data you provided. The extension will then process the JSON and send the cookies to the current site context. As soon as the import completes, the cookies should be in place. At this point, the site may still show the old state until the page updates. Finally, refresh the page if needed. The instructions mention that the extension will instantly apply the cookies and refresh the page. That means you may see the page reload automatically, or you may see a prompt or change that indicates the site is updating. Let the page finish loading, and then proceed normally as you would after successful cookie import, such as accessing content or returning to a session you wanted to restore. That is the entire process from installation to applying the cookies. That covers everything you need to know.